Hello everyone, this is Cam. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the DPF, the diesel particulate filter warning light on an Audi Q7. This is the new shape, starts from 2015, goes up to 17 or 18 I think. So there is a way of resetting the light. If you reset it from your normal OBD reader, it can reset, but obviously it's going to come up. But on this one, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reprogram the ECU. Basically, I'm gonna put the data on the ECU saying that I have replaced the diesel particulate filter. So there is a way of doing that. I'm gonna show you step by step. So it's a long process, so make sure guys, please subscribe to my channel to see more of these helpful videos. And please, if you like the videos, just like and comment. So I'm using one of these Mexicom MK808 reader to do that. So what you need to do, basically go to service, DPF, and you can go to VIN. You can auto detect your car. Some model they don't do it, so basically it's quite a new one, so you wouldn't recognize the new models if your software is old, so you have to update that. So you have to go to AUDI, and automatic selection, press read, and then OK, and we'll go to the DPF particular filter changing screen. Yeah, so when you get to the stage, you just need to follow the instructions. So I need to select number 1. This particular filter has been replaced, so select number 1. So it gives the instruction to what to do basically. So you have to rev just over 1200 RPM. So I'm going to do that. As you can see, I'm just going over 2500 RPM. When you do that, you have to click done. There you go. It's going to give a little shake. And it's done. There you go. So the DPF light has gone. So I hope it's not going to come back again. I've done it on a few cars, so it worked perfectly fine. So thank you very much guys for watching my video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel.